Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm coming to you with my Copenhagen shopping. I would like to share with you what I got over there. We stayed there for 1 week. It was beautiful. It wasn't our first time. This time we visited the city with kids and it was wonderful. But if you are a parent, you know your holidays are not really relaxing, right? So I came back, as you can probably tell, very tired, and I need a vacation from my vacation, if that makes sense. Anyway, when it comes to fashion, I found Copenhagen being really inspiring. I tried to film the way they dress, but I was usually very slow with my mobile phone, pulling it out from my bag, and I had this bag, mainly this bag with me, and my mini Chanel bag. But let me tell you, with this bag, I love the color, I love everything about this bag, but you can fit a lot into this bag, and this is where the problem starts. Because you can fit a lot into this bag, you can't find anything in this bag. So for me, grabbing my phone quickly and taking a picture was not easy. But I managed to get a few shots. I will share them maybe in my next video. Should I share with you what I had on in Copenhagen for 1 week? That could be actually interesting. Would it be? Let me know. Anyway, should we start with the first purchase that I made? We arrived early in the morning and I saw Ganni right away in the airport. And I didn't go to Copenhagen to shop. I knew with kids it won't be easy, and I wanted to spend a lot of time with my kids. So I knew if I see something that I like, I should just grab it and don't think about it too much, because again, there's not much time. Yes, I saw this t-shirt over there. Actually, I went in to see a dress, and then I saw this one and I fell in love with it. What can I tell you? The rest is history. It wasn't cheap, but it is very sturdy. I will see if I can find it online and link it down below. And this is very oversized. This is a size small, I believe. Yes, it is size small, and I absolutely love it. I had it on in Copenhagen, and let me tell you, in Copenhagen, many people wear Ganni. I think Ganni is actually, I know Ganni is a Danish brand, and yes, I had to get something that is Danish, right? And this is such a beautiful one. And I also saw, let me give you a close-up before I move on. While I was there, I tried to visit more Danish brands, and brands that are not easily accessible for us, like Ganni, Gestürzt, I think is the name. I will butcher the names, of course, but by Marlene Berger, and some other brands. Skal is one of them as well, I think. And they were, I love Scandinavian aesthetic anyway, and it was just a feast for my eye. Absolutely beautiful. I didn't have much time, having said that. So I got maybe 3-4 top hours to myself, and I did a big mistake. I made a big mistake. I went to Louis Vuitton because, nonsense, right? Because we have Louis Vuitton here as well. But I wanted to mark that trip with something special. And I always wanted to have a cosmetic pouch. And every time I went on holiday, I was thinking, my cosmetic pouch, was okay, but I wanted something that sparks joy, So I have been thinking about this pouch for many years. I've seen this pouch going up and up and up in price. And every time I was so close to getting it, I pulled back because I thought, it's too much money for just a pouch, yes. But this time I didn't listen to myself. I went in, and let me tell you, the shopping experience over there was top notch. Just so good, because I think I was lucky. honestly, all Danish people I met were just wonderful. Just so helpful and friendly, and also always smiling. Maybe because it was sunny, and it was summer during the summer times. I don't know, but they were just lovely. But in this store, I got the most loveliest sales assistant over there. Her name is Jasmine, and she was very knowledgeable about Louis Vuitton, and she showed me way more than I asked for. And even though at the beginning, when I met her, I told her right away, I actually want to have this one, because the store was packed and I didn't want to, take too much time. It was just such a good experience over there. They have this pouch in 3 different sizes. A small size, medium, and bigger size. So I believe PM, MM, and GM. I may be wrong. I am not very knowledgeable about Louis Vuitton, but I always wanted to have this pouch. And it fits a lot. Here I have all the new cosmetic or makeup pieces I picked up over there. Not because we don't have these brands over here, but I was just there, and in Austria, believe it or not, I don't have much. I keep saying that again and again, but here I am very busy, and I don't have much time to go to the stores. And also these pieces I grabbed just as I was passing these aisles, in what is the name of the department store magazine, and there was another lovely department store, Ili, I may be wrong. I will put the name up here. Anyway, also over there in magazine, the YSL lady was so nice. I mean, I bought a few pieces from YSL, and she gave me, where is it? She gave me a few gifts. She gave me a makeup brush and a towel by YSL. I think they are both by YSL, I'm not sure. But I thought that's just wonderful. That has never happened to me, So I thought that was very refreshing. And here you can see all the makeup pieces I picked up over there. Probably nothing new to you, but I was so excited about these makeup pieces. I can't even tell you. After buying these pieces, I couldn't sleep one night. So one night I ended up being sleepless because of these beautiful purchases. I know, crazy. This is me. I don't know, do you feel that way as well? I get just too excited about the pieces before I buy them and after I buy, after I have bought them. Of course, I had to go to Arket. And let me tell you again, this is a running theme here. The staff, the sales assistants over there are just so helpful and so nice, especially in Copenhagen. So I mean, I can't speak only for Copenhagen city center. And so I went to Arket, and they had a sale, and I ended up picking this swimsuit. That was very fortunate because the hotel we were staying in had a swimming pool, and I, believe it or not, I forgot to take my swimwear with me. So I ended up getting this one, and I'm telling you, this is so flattering. I'm so happy about this purchase. I own a swimwear from COS, which is beautiful, but that one doesn't have enough support for me, at least. But this one covers everything, and I don't need to be concerned or self-conscious about anything. So I really like this, and I found it very flattering, more than I was expecting. So, and honestly, at Arket I ended up actually buying more for my kids and my husband than for myself. I ended up getting only these pieces. I mean, only, this is actually not too bad, right? For one visit to Arket. So I got this cap, which is really nice. This one was on sale as well, and I really love it. And the fact it's out of this denim material, and the fact that is foldable, it fits into your pocket even. I love that about this cap. Then I have picked up two, you know, gym or workout pieces just in hope that I get into the gym of the hotel we were staying. I made it there once for 10 minutes. Anyway, but I really hope that I get into working out soon again because I really need it, you know. The next piece is this one. I absolutely love this one so much. I think this sheds a bit, does it? No, it's okay. The trouble with me and buying things in store is I don't check their, you know, online I usually check their composition, but physically in the store, maybe I'm out of, you know, practice, but in the store I didn't check on the composition, and this one contains a little bit of synthetic. I'm not sure how much, and my eyes are rubbish, I can't see it, it's just too small, but not too bad, but it does contain a bit of polyester. I love the cut of it. So this is everything from Arket, and then on our way back, and I also got these flip-flops. I love the color of them. What can I tell you? And I also got very inspired by Danish girls because I saw many girls wearing a very bright colored flip-flops with their very neutral outfits on their bikes. Ah, that was beautiful, I'm telling you. And that really inspired me, and I had to get a pair of red flip-flops. So these are by H20, and they are very dirty right now because I was wearing them in Copenhagen. On the way back, this is everything, isn't it, on clothing? Yes, I didn't actually shop that much, right? But on the way back, I spotted these trainers. Let me tell you, I have never found trainers especially flattering on my feet because I have rather big feet. I wear normally size 42, European 42, and these were extremely flattering. I don't know, these shoes really made it for me. And let me also tell you, these are the most expensive trainers I have ever bought in my entire life. But I think they are so expensive because of the leather that has been worked into these shoes. Anyway, I really love the color as well. And while I was there, I made another mistake. I went to Chanel. We have a Chanel here, literally 10 minutes far from where I'm living. So I could skip on that, but I had to see what they have in store. I was just curious. I went there and I saw this Hobo 22 Chanel bag, and I really liked it, but in size small, I think. I saw many bags over there, and again the sales assistant were so nice over there, and they showed me many things. Anyway, let me know what you think about this bag. That would be actually very helpful. I have always liked the shape of that bag. The only thing that always bothered me was the big Chanel logo. Not logo, just it says Chanel in front of the bag. And you know, I don't know, I never liked that. But I found this version, this denim version. You can't see actually the Chanel so well on it, so it is very subtle, and I love that bag. But something other than the price is ridiculous. I mean, we are talking about Chanel. As soon as we go to Chanel, you have to forget, or you have to be aware of ridiculous pricing, right? But something else keeps me from pulling the trigger for that bag. I don't know what it is, and even though I really like the look of that bag, and I think that bag goes well with my aesthetics and with my you know, with everything I have, and also with my style and my lifestyle. So let me know if you have ever tried that bag, or if you have that bag. Would be really interesting to know your thoughts. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please, as always, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you here for my future videos as well. Other than that, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.